Oh, popcorn! Do you like popcorn?
Hi friends, welcome back. It's the part 2 of Christmas vlog and you can see our excitement. Here I will share with you top places to explore during Christmas which are around Vancouver. The first one is the drive-through at Langley.
Well, hello.
Look at that, on the right-hand side.
Boys,
On the right-hand side.
Time off.
We went here with our friends and had an awesome time.
Oh, Santa's just left.
It is around 20 minutes drive through this illuminated wonderland. You have to book tickets here online which are around $50 with taxes for one car which allows you to take 7 people in it. तो अगर आपको ड्राइविंग पसंद है तो क्रिसमस लाइट देखने का ये तरीका बहुत अच्छा है। तो आप अपने फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली के साथ में इस ड्राइव थ्रू में ज़रूर आएं। लैंगली इज़ नियर वैंकूवर और मैंने पहले अपने समर व्लॉग्स और स्प्रिंग एज वेल एज ऑटम व्लॉग में लैंगली को फीचर किया है। एंड दिस इज़ हाउ विंटर लैंगली लुक्स लाइक, स्पेशली ड्यूरिंग दिस ड्राइव थ्रू। यहाँ पर काफ़ी तरह के क्रिसमस डेकोरेशंस होते हैं। ट्रीज़ के अलावा लाइट टनल्स क्रिएट किए जाते हैं इन विच यू कैन वॉक और ड्राइव थ्रू लाइक दिस। और ये था मेरा ग्लो ड्राइव थ्रू का फेवरेट पार्ट। इट वॉज लाइक फेरी टेल वॉज गेटिंग क्रिएटेड इन रियल लाइफ। They created these beautiful installations depicting fairy tales like Cinderella and Snow White. Beautiful tunnels and light work like this on such a grand scale was something very new for me. Snow White. Now she's Snow White. She is a Snow White. Santa Claus को बाय बोलते हुए अब टाइम आ गया था एक नए एडवेंचर पर जाने का। My second recommendation to you is Lafarge Lake Lights in Coquitlam. This lakeside lighting is one of my favorite. As you can see, it is on a very grand scale and the reflections on water make it look really magical. Another good part about this lighting is that it has a free entry unlike so many other options. So without any cost, you can walk here and enjoy the beauties. There is a loop created where you can walk around the lake enjoying the beautiful light installations which are very unique and one of the most beautiful near Vancouver. Lafarge Lake is a man-made lake. It is very near to Surrey in Coquitlam and also has proximity with Vancouver and even Burnaby. So if you are living in this area, don't miss this option. वॉक करते हुए हम लेक के दूसरी तरफ आ गए थे। यहाँ पर खाने पीने के स्टॉल्स तो नहीं है, लेकिन हॉट चॉकलेट ज़रूर मिलेगी। बिकॉज द वेदर वॉज वेरी कोल्ड, वी रियली enjoyed that. और अब चलते हैं दूसरी तरफ एंड लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस यू टू सांता क्लॉज। फाइनली सोवासन में हम लोग सांता क्लॉज से मिले। एंड अ डांसिंग एल्फ, यू वांट टू सी द डांसिंग एल्फ? कम सी दैट एल्फ इज डांसिंग। हेलो I just recording it for my niece. She is in Seattle. Hi, her name is Rhea.
Rhea, so happy to see you.
Yay!
Have a Merry Christmas.
Christmas shopping is important because there are great deals. So we went to Soasan for some shopping and came across this lighting near the Soasan Springs. My fourth recommendation to you is to enjoy Christmas in a holiday train at Stanley Park. Tickets go very fast for this, so you have to book it online in advance, but it has one of the best decorations that I have seen across. I will create one full dedicated vlog on the Stanley Park holiday train experience, so till then you can enjoy other decorations with me. My fifth recommendation to you is to enjoy the downtown lighting at Vancouver. I have already shared about the Christmas market in my previous vlog, but still there is so much to see. This is Vancouver skyline with beautifully illuminated Canada Place and Vancouver Lookout Tower. The largest tree in Vancouver is at Vancouver Art Gallery, so don't miss visiting there. I already shared about Gastown experience in my last year Christmas vlog, but still downtown has so many decorations for you to explore. My sixth recommendation for you is to explore various restaurants in downtown. We chose Global because it has a very Christmassy environment and one of the best cuisines for you to enjoy. We enjoyed our dinner here and Empress Martini, which has a bubble on top of it. My seventh recommendation is definitely watch Flyover Canada. With high technology and mixing virtual reality, it is one of my favorite shows ever. Let's see how it is. I've heard so much. It's a 20-minute show, but it will make you remember it for a lifetime. No cameras were allowed beyond this point, so everything is left for you to visit here and explore yourself. I can say that it is one of the greatest shows that you will come across. Later on, you will come to the souvenir shop and you can choose the picture if you want to carry home at $16. Flyover Canada ticket cost is around $35 per person, and you need to book your time slot and ticket online. It is situated in Canada Place in downtown Vancouver, and after coming out from the show you can enjoy the lightings which are done here. My 8th recommendation is enjoy your neighborhood. New Westminster is very near to Surrey, so we drove through that area, enjoyed the lighting, and had a great time. My 9th recommendation is walk through the beautifully decorated houses in and around Vancouver. These decorated lanes are usually called as candy lanes, where people decorate their house beautifully for you to come drive, walk and enjoy with your family. There are various such lanes in Burnaby, Surrey and other places, but we chose to drive all the way to Delta, which was around 23 kilometers away, because this was an award-winning lane. और आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे लोगों ने हर एक घर को कितने अच्छे से सजाया है। ऑलमोस्ट 0 डिग्री है लेकिन इतना सुंदर है। It's so much fun watching these lights, and it's just 2 days to Christmas now.
And
Join me in this.
This lane, I think, got some award as well, I guess.
Yes, it's an award lane. It's the candy lane. Just have a look over there. It's so pretty.
You want to see Santa? Have you guys watched the Charlie Brown Christmas? Did you not see him in the window?
Christmas time and lovely lighting actually on both the sides. और look at that snowman, inflated reindeer और light वाले भी reindeers हैं, gifts हैं, and हमने train भी देखी इस तरफ, and on that side on our right, और I think both the lanes combine about 15 houses है each, so all about 30 houses, and best part है कि drive through है, but I would recommend कि आप गाड़ी को park कर दो and just take a walk and just probably have a coffee and take a walk. Amazing. बहुत ठंड है but बहुत मजा आ रहा है.
Have you ever seen such beautifully decorated houses, one after the another in a lane before? It was simply magical for us to explore this area. If you want to see more of these explorations that I do, then you can follow me on Instagram at Travel Quartz. और अब ये सारी लेन्स देखने के बाद टाइम था रिलैक्स करने का. So my 10th recommendation coming for you is to explore some very exotic hotels and have a great dinner time. I recommend that you visit Fairmont Hotels in downtown Vancouver during Christmas and New Year. We chose to have dinner at Notch 8 restaurant that is in Fairmont downtown in the West Georgia Street. It has one of the most beautiful Christmas tree decorations and also live music options. I hope you enjoyed my recommendations, and thank you so much friends for joining me virtually in this Christmas tour. To support the channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share this video ahead. Wish you Merry Christmas.